Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Here's my smoky eye. It's supposed to be a fall look, but it looks more smoky. I'm using my Sayate Editor New England palette that I got in my BoxyCharm box. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. As always, thank you for all the love and support. I'm not gonna do a full voiceover on this look because you can pretty much see what I'm doing. If you guys have any questions, just leave it in the comments. Okay, so here I was going to use this Beauty For Real matte lip cream, really red, but then when I put it on, it didn't look right to me. I put some shadow on top with this look. It just didn't flow right to me. I guess because my eyes look a little bit darker, so I decided to go with this lip instead. Use my Club Hopper lip liner by NYX, and this knick-knack that I got from the beauty supply, and I put a little bit of glitter in my crease. And that is it for this look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate all the love and support, and stay tuned until my next video. Bye. Y'all could tell this video is late because I still have Halloween nails. But yeah, you guys stay safe out there. Love you so much. Bye.